If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The vendor beginning balances in Sage 50 Accounting are the outstanding vendor bills as of the company file's start date. The balance in the accounts payable account in the general ledger should equal the total amount of all vendor beginning balances, assuming no other transactions have been made. To enter vendor beginning balances in Sage 50 Accounting, open the Maintain Vendors window, and then click the History tab. Then click the Vendor Beginning Balances button to open the Vendor Beginning Balances window. The Vendor Balances tab in this window shows a list of vendors. To enter the beginning balance for a vendor, double-click their name in this list. Doing this then shows the Purchases from Vendor Name tab to the left of the Vendor Balances tab. On this tab, enter the information for each bill from the selected vendor which was unpaid as of the start date of the company. Enter the bill number, the date of the bill, the purchase order number given, if applicable, the amount of the bill, and the AP account to which the bill's amount posted. However, note this field is not available if using the cash accounting method. At the bottom of this window, the account balance, the number of transactions, and the current accounts payable balance appears. Continue entering the vendor's outstanding bills until you finish. To enter another vendor's outstanding bills, click back to the Vendor Balances tab, and then double-click the name of the next vendor whose bills you need to enter. Then repeat the process of entering the outstanding vendor bills until you have entered them all. When finished, click the Save button to save all the transactions, and then click the Close button to close the window. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.